Goggles down, no need for thumbs. Arm your quads. Let's rock and roll on the tone in less than 5. All 4 pilots going up. First one to the T-Mobile Split S gate. His name is Slowpoke, but he's not going slow. He's making it already halfway through our course, going underneath through the TBS gate, swinging back around through our T-Mobile gate. I'm seeing some interference on his video, but he's being able to fly through it right now. Looks like maybe some issues with the ground station. He's one of the few pilots remaining in the air. The one to talk about right now, Neon FPV. Neon FPV, we were talking about him. He looks to be remaining in our air right now. Actually, I had that wrong. Neon FPV not in this race. That was a DBR review that I was doing right there. It looks like Slowpoke FPV in the air. They had some issues with the ground station. He's keeping it in the air, though. I still see pilots with their goggles down. I see 3 in the air at the moment. At this point in drone racing, it's critical that these guys stay in the air. It looks like, unfortunately, Heisenberg is down and out. I see 2 guys for sure up in the air. I heard some carnage out there on our course. Slowpoke FPV working his way through the Inception Tower. Through it nice and clean, finding some video issues. You guys aren't able to see it right now. It looks like that's the strategy of our remaining pilot in the air right now. Appears to be, looks like Swifty FPV, the one finishing. He's going to round out first place in this one and move on to race number 13. It's the race directly after this one, as a matter of fact. Right now, these guys are guaranteed to be in the top 8. Pilots going out for retreat quads. Remember, if you guys are just joining us right now, welcome to the North American Drone Masters Drone Race. I'm Alex Vanover. We're here at the Erie County Fair. We're in the sportsman race right now. These are the pilots that qualified in the lower part of our section yesterday, qualifying 17th through 32. We're giving these pilots an opportunity to go out here, podium, win a little bit of money, and then here in just about an hour or less, we're going to be starting our pro class level racing. Now, the pro class level, as you can hear by the name pro, these are our top pilots, not just the top pilots here at the Erie County Fair, but the top pilots in the entire world. We have our 2018 MultiGP champion, Evan Turner. You're going to hear him go by the name Heads Up FPV. He's our top qualifier. He's one of the fastest pilots in the world out here racing tonight. Joined by many other fast guys on his team, Team BDS, standing for Best Drone Squad. Joined by Chief, Engineer, and a bunch of other really fast, well-known pilots. You guys are going to be seeing some insane blade-to-blade battles. Right now is our sportsman race. These are guys who are new to drone racing, racing some of them for the very first time, trying to gain some experience, gain a little bit of exposure. We're under a DVR review right now. We've said that term a bunch of times. We're essentially playing back the video that these pilots are seeing. They connect to some ground stations. Those ground stations are connect to receivers that transmit and receive video back from the drone live. We're also making sure when we do this DVR review that these pilots get through the course nice and clean. Don't do any of the gates wrong. If the pilot does not fly the course correctly, they are eliminated. They get a DNF for not finishing. I'm watching right now. You guys may not be able to see it, but I can see right here Slowpoke FPV fighting some bad video coming down the Inception Tower. Not sure if that was an issue with the ground station or his quad, but it looks like it's getting some interference actually. After this race, we're going to race number 13. That is the final consolation bracket. That is do or die for these pilots. They need to finish first or second in order to move on to our final. They don't do that, unfortunately, they're going to be rounding out in 5th and 6th. Talking up here with K1NG. You might be seeing him on the screen there. Now, he was telling me right there how he unfortunately finished 3rd in that last one, so